I live in a tiny apartment, therefore I have a tiny kitchen. As you can see, there is no oven. And the mini ovens they sell, they do not fit a frozen pizza at all. Don't get me wrong, I like to cook a lot, but some days I just feel like eating a frozen pizza. So I decided to buy a microwave to cook a pizza, and I'm going to explain how to. First of all, you need a microwave that has a grill setting and a convection setting. The grill makes the top part crispy, and the convection setting makes sure everything inside is cooked as well. So I tried and used both at the same time, and there are clear strengths and weaknesses comparing to an actual oven. Let me show you my attempt. Oh, doesn't look bad, doesn't look bad.
Wow.
Can I just say how inconvenient this grill is? It has like 3 antennas, and it does not fit a pizza, so I had to poke through one of them.
Just gonna pierce it.
Okay, time for a conclusion. If you have an oven, don't use a microwave. Duh. The reason being that it takes a long time to cook it. In the clip it said 15 minutes, but I found it needed more time. It also doesn't cook as well as in a real oven. I mean, for larger items maybe, but look at this garlic bread. But if you don't have an oven, it does the job pretty decently. I was expecting worse. Maybe it's dependent from microwave to microwave. I honestly found it to be quite okay.